Yeah, sir. What it do? What it do? What it do, YouTube? Big homie squad. It's your boy, Big Homie Scooter, the shooter, and I'm back. Another one. So, yeah, sir. It's Sunday, man. Sunday, fun day, gun day. Yes, we at the range with it. Yeah, we at the range with it, man. What it do? What's happening? Trying to get my stuff together so I can go down here and get me some work in today. Have me some fun. Mr. Triple F TV out here. Mr. Trent Bennett, of course. And his wife. So, yeah. What we doing? Doing what we do best. Finna get it in, man. So, yeah. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. Let's... So, today, what we got here? Him, he's the reason. Mr. Triple F TV, Trent Bennett, the man himself, is responsible for this.
I wish it was mine though.
One day, just wait. And that's Miss Mattis.
Mrs. Triple F.
Mrs. Triple F TV. He is responsible. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Praise him. Praise Jesus.
What a component. So, I'm finna shoot it. Gotta know. Yes, I'm about to have my way with this Stacatto P with a comp on it. SRO and a Surefire 300. Man. Dawson Precision comp. That is nice. Got my targets up. Might have to change them down there. But I got my red painted. Yes. Today is gonna be one of those days. Today's sponsor. Hey man, I'm a little slow right now. I had a long night. I'll tell y'all no lie. Went to the corn maze. Went to the corn maze last night. Wife ended up stumbling and twisted her ankle. It was just, yeah, I'm tired. But anyway, yeah. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll get with y'all here in just a minute. Yes, sir. So, this is what we doing. Come on, I'm right here. Stacatto. So, I'm really in awe right now, so I ain't doing too much talking. But, yeah. Want you. Yeah. Stacatto P. And 124s. Ah! One day. One day. One day. Yeah. One day. One day. Man, dude.
That's a good video right there.
Dude.
That shit crazy.
Well, that thing is like pure butter. Man, it. Alright, so I thought I was having dot malfunctions, but I gotta learn how to use my co-witness sites along with my dot. Yes. Still learning. So when it come down to being a shooter, like a competition shooter, you gotta know this stuff. And apparently that's why I've been going wrong. So yeah. Thanks to Mr. Bennett here. Yeah, thanks to Mr. Bennett, goddamn, yeah. Got a co-witness with my diet. So yeah. Finna get me some good old. Finna get me some reps in again. But this time it's gonna let's see. This time I'm a co-witness with what I got with what. Oh shit, hold on now. So it's gonna be 10 single shot reps on the timer. A zone.
Ready. Ready.
A zone, but I pulled it. Fishing for that dot, man, I gotta stop. I would pull that last one. Dang. It's still A zone, but I pulled it.
Working on that co-witness, but you see it. Yeah, you see it.
So the main thing is I just reps, dry fire reps. That's what helps you overall. That's what helps you overall. That's what I'm trying to say. Dry fire. So yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna have to strap up, put my belt on, and give me about a good 30 minutes in the dry fire reps. And it's something I'm gonna have to do every day for the next 30 days. So y'all want a video every day for the next 30 days? Let me know. Hit that like button. Leave your boy a comment, man. Hit that sub button. But let me know though, if y'all okay with me dropping a video every day, dry fire video every day for literally the next 30 days. Let's see if we can get that going. If that's what y'all want, let me know. I'm gonna get that for y'all. And y'all stay tuned, man. Yes, sir. So, oh shit, my bad, bro.
No, you good.
I wasn't expecting the camera to jump on because I hit the record button. I didn't hit the power button. But yeah, man, I'm finna get ready to get up out of here. But of course, I gotta have some fun with Cousin Day Day for a minute, man. Gotta have me a little fun, hit me a little steel with it. Of course. Yes, sir. Gotta know. Gotta know. It's Cousin Day Day right here, as y'all can see. Yeah. I'm YouTube compliant. Turn around with the 20 round mag. Yeah. But Cousin Day Day right here, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright. Cousin Day Day time, man. Oh, I ain't had no fun with Cousin Day Day in a while, so yeah. Gonna have me some little fun real quick, man, before I get up out of here. I just want to run it. I just want to run it.
Whee. Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's it. I just wanted to run it. Yes, sir. And just like that, man, my day is over. So I was gonna show y'all what's really been going on at the range today, but Trent and his wife they had they taught a class, and yeah, they classes for them. So yeah, I wasn't finna do no recording or nothing like that. But yeah, man. So I've been on, like, don't get it twisted, man. I've been on about co-witness sites and my green dot is, but honestly, I didn't feel like the need to use my co-witness because I got a red dot, green dot, whatever. But the difference is me, I'm used to shooting with my dot directly in the center of the glass. That's how I'm used to shooting. I've been shooting red dots for years. So that's how I'm used to shooting. No co-witness, no nothing. I put a red dot on my gun. I don't need no co-witness or nothing. I put the dot directly in the middle of the glass. Like once I sight it in, I'm good to go. I don't co-witness like none of it. But after today, no, I noticed personally, and Trent helped me, Trent kind of pointed it out that when I'm shooting up and to the right, and that's only because the dot, my green dot, is me shooting it with it, the dot in the middle of the glass. While I got co-witness, is like, yeah, you off, my boy. So he was like, man, put the dot on your front sight, like let it touch, let the green dot touch the green, you know, glow in the dark sight on the front. So I'm like, all right, bitch, I do that. Man, come on, man. So yeah, I'm finna get in the lab, get the dry fire, and now I'm finna to dry fire and build muscle memory, build up my muscle memory for me to acquire my dot while co-witnessing. Yeah. See, when you're a competition shooter, and when you shooting period, like, this is stuff that you gotta know. You gotta know this stuff. You gotta know. You gotta put the work in, the time in, and really pay attention to what you're doing in order to get better. If you ain't doing that, you ain't got to worry about getting better. Yeah. So again, if y'all want this video every day for 30 days and be dry firing, trying to acquire my dot, just let me know, man, down in the comments down low, man. In the meantime, in between time, man. Hey, y'all know who it is. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. And y'all know who it is, man. It's Big Homie Scooter, the shooter.